Welcome to another episode of Wunderbar Garage. On this episode, we're going to put some Hexomat all-weather floor mats into our 2000 Mercedes ML320. The original sand-colored mats are quite worn out. We'll show you those here in a minute. These are the original sand-colored or Java-colored floor mats, and they're extremely worn out after all the years of use. They did hold up well, but they're dirty, dirty, dirty. We have shampooed them and can't get them any cleaner, and a lot of the bindings coming off the edges. So now we'll lay out the new Hexomats and show you what those look like, and then we'll install them in the truck and let you see what that looks like. We took out the new floor mats and laid them on top of the old ones. These are the new Hexomats, and we got them in black because we thought it would make a really nice complement to this truck. So now we'll go ahead, like I said earlier, we'll install them and we'll show you what it looks like inside the truck. We've gone ahead and installed the rear floor mats, and they look really good. It's a pretty good fit, not quite OEM. They're a little bit bigger, but they do fit well and they look very pleasing. Okay, so now we've installed the passenger side front mat and it fits really well. Looks very nice. And on the driver's side, it actually has an extra piece of rubber which covers up an area which was a wear area, so we're glad to see that that piece is on there. So everything looks really, really great, great fit. And so thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.